If you're looking to run general household appliances while you're out camping or at a remote site, the Ridge Ryder pure sine wave inverter range has been designed to efficiently and reliably power a wide range of 240-volt appliances from a 12-volt automotive power source. The Ridge Ryder inverter range features 600-watt and 1,000-watt models with pure sine wave technology for sensitive electronics. You'll be able to connect and operate a variety of 240-volt products such as small power tools, kitchen appliances, laptop chargers, TVs and much more. There are even dual USB ports for charging and running devices such as phones and tablets. The inverter features a comprehensive display and controller unit that can be left mounted to the device or removed and extended with the included cable. This will allow you to monitor the inverter anywhere in your vehicle while you monitor and control it from your dash. Once you have the inverter connected, move the red power switch to the on position. When you're sure that any appliances you wish to use are suitably sized for the capacity of the inverter, connect them and press the power switch on the LED remote. It's as simple as that. These Ridge Ryder inverters also feature low voltage thermal and overload protection that automatically shuts down and restarts, so no damage comes to your inverter, battery or appliances. It's important to remember that the inverter is drawing power from your vehicle's battery, so you need to monitor your battery levels during use, or ideally connect to a second battery if you have one installed. If you need a compact and quiet power inverter for the campsite, then a Ridge Ryder pure sine wave inverter is a great choice for any four-wheel drive or camper.